Hey everyone, thanks for joining us for another video. So the quote of the today will be Ezra chapter 10 verse 4. Rise up, this matter is in your hands. We will support you. So take courage and do it. Alright, so that's our quote of the day. And what we're covering today is else statements. So let's get started. So we already covered in a previous video, if you didn't check it out yet, was the if statement. So if we start off with if again, so remember we had our example, maybe a equals 5 and b equals 4. Okay, and let's create an if statement here. So if a is greater than 4, well, is greater than b, and then we open the code block here. And remember this code block, unless you didn't see the last video, but pretty much what it is, if this statement is true, then it will execute whatever's in this block. So let's try that. Alright, let me kill this session here. Okay, so it should work now. Alright, so you can see it came back that this is true. So this is the block, so that means A is greater than B. So A is 5 and it's greater than 4, which is B. So we know it's true. So let's see if we put it the other way around. Let's put this as 6. So it will bring this to not true. Okay. Alright, so the reason why you're not seeing anything is because it just came out of the block. It never went through this section here because it's not true. So how do we fix this? So how do we know when it's false? So you could either put an else statement. You could put an else statement here. That's where the else statement will come in. So that means whatever is not true, it'll automatically go to the else statement. Okay, so let's try it again. There you go. Then you get this is false. So if we put it back to this is true, it should go back to the true branch. There you go. And let's put a different number so you can see it working. So it should go back to the false. There you go. So that's how we use the else statements. So the else statements, so it's used like within the if statement to execute the code. If the if condition is not met, it allows you to define the alternative code that runs if the if statement condition is false. So that's what we just showed here. So when this is false, then it will go to the else branch. Okay, so that's all we have for today. It was a very short video, but remember we're just trying to do this incrementally, so that way you kind of see how we're adding up things here. So yesterday we did the if statements. Now you can see how useful the else statements is in combination with the if. So this will be useful, and in our next video we'll even add another piece of, add another condition to this so you can see how useful that'll be. Okay, so let's go back to our quote of the day. Okay, so the quote of the day is going to be Ezra chapter 10 verse 4. Rise up, this matter is in your hands. We will support you. So take courage and do it. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe, and just remember, read your Bible. And if you're not going to church, try to find a nice Bible-based church. Okay, and see you for the next video. Thank you.